My name's Don Thomas and I want to tell you a story about 3 inner city townhouses created by Andrew Clark of Warren Adolph Homes. This will be my 5th residential housing project that I've been involved in, as well as one commercial building refurbishment, and this one has been the smoothest and easiest job of all of the ones that I've done. So if you've got some time, we'll take a tour around the houses and you can see the detail and the finish that exemplifies what Andrew is capable of. One of the requirements in the original specifications for these houses was eco-friendly houses as much as possible, so installation of solar power and recycled rainwater became part of the build. Just little things like that, the detail that he's put into the fences, the stairwells. When you go through the stairwells, you see the finish that he recommended for those. Very modern, enduring style and colour, but in a hard material that is going to stand the inevitable bumps and scratches that come in a stairwell with people up and down them all the time, carrying things, moving in and moving out. Each of the outside decks, instead of the traditional timber supports and beams, he brought in slimline steel poles and beams that gave greater volume underneath them for the room and the garden space below, and a cleaner look to the whole line of the building. And all of this being done within budget. No unexpected surprises on the way through or on completion. So we started with the request to the architect to maximise the potential for the site, and as I say, he came up with the 3 townhouses. The first constraint on the site, apart from the size of course, was that across the rear boundary of the site was the main sewer line. So the rear house had to be built so that it was over that sewer line. Andrew wasn't fazed by this. He was able to use that to our advantage by lowering the floor level in the ground floor of the 3rd unit and using that, giving increased volume in the house as a result of that. You'll see as well in this unit the example of the little details. The kitchens, well, the whole of the units, all of the units have maximum storage available. Storage was an essential item. You can never have enough storage. And so Andrew's been able to, as he's gone along, find corners and walls where additional shelving and storages have been able to be fitted in. See the landing here, an additional desk that Andrew has fitted in as an additional workspace that wasn't part of the plan, but a simple idea that he's implemented to make better use of that space. And so that's the story of our inner city development, a story that I'm pleased to be able to share with you because Andrew deserves every moment of recognition that he can get. Of all the 5 projects that we've been involved in, he is by far the best listener, the best quality control, and the best technical aspects of using up-to-date materials, design ideas and finishes.